The topic of today's video, how to set up Webull for day trading. Alright, so here we are on Webull desktop and we are on the custom option, and once you go in here you'll be able to select a blank layout. Now if you don't know where to find this, you can just click on the plus icon on the top right here, and for widgets you can just click on the little suitcase icon also on the top right. Alright, so now to set this up for day trading, you can just drop in whichever widgets you need for your trades. So generally a chart, we'll put that over here, and we will change what it's monitoring. Let's pick NVIDIA as my usual go-to. Then we can add again whatever you want. It's really up to you. Let's say key statistics, and I'll drop a few more things in here. So let's just jump. Alright. So I've just dropped in the order flow, and now I'm going to click on each of these widgets that I've dropped in and change them to monitor NVIDIA. Now again, this is not something you have to do. It really all depends on how you want to customize. Now from here, on any of these, I can set groups. So let's call this group 1. And then if I right click on here, I can add another widget. So I could go and add something else, but let's add another option, statistics here, and I can set it to monitor something else, and we can do that for each widget we've got here. If we want to track multiple things on our chart, what we can do is click on the grid and we can just add more blocks, and we can make them track different symbols. And that's pretty much it, guys. Feel free to explore with these widgets. Maybe you want to do options, for instance. Thank you so much for watching. Please do keep in mind that this is in no way financial advice. You do trade at your own risk. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.